Hello guys, my name is Pravi Adam and welcome to our channel. Today I can show you how we have to research the keyword for our specific page and how many keywords we can target and how many uh, strategy we can follow for the keyword research process and the while we can optimize our service page. Okay, so today I have picked one pages. So you guys can see that my page is service pages warehouse workforce. So this is our main targeted keyword. So first we can open the SEO tool, and after that we can also open the search console. Then we can check, and also we can open the VPN because those keywords I want to exact uh, exact result in the from the Canada. So that's why it's going to I can open a VPN. Okay, so first we can check how much traffic and the KD this website this keyword are having. Okay, so Canadian volume is 10 and the global volume is 70. Amazon workforce, okay, workforce warehouse workforce and the workforce warehouse. Okay, if we can use a workforce of warehouse. Okay, and also we can check the performance and the which keyword we are ranking for this keyword. We can going to check. Okay, so for this page we are getting total 1.21k impressions and the total 4 clicks. And now we can go on the query section where we okay, warehouse workforce where we are ranking. Okay, warehouse staffing. Warehouse staffing will check how many, and we can update. Search volume is 20. Okay, and then we'll see warehouse staffing. Oh, warehouse staffing is having a 20 volume, so we can consider warehouse staffing. The volume is 25 in Canada, and we can check warehouse workforce recruitment. We can check. Zero volume for this keyword, so we can ignore. Warehouse job recruitment agency, the volume is 40. Warehouse job recruitment agencies, the volume is 50. Okay. Warehouse workforce recruitment, warehouse warehouse job recruitment agency, warehouse job recruitment, warehouse job recruitment agency, warehouse job recruitment agency, warehouse job recruitment agency. These keywords we can target. uh, uh, what the fuck? Warehouse. Okay. And now, meanwhile, we can check workforce recruitment. Okay. So we have found total 3 keywords, and also we can check which kind of keywords we are targeting in our pages. So warehouse workforce, skilled warehouse workforce. We can check if this keyword having volume, then we can ignore. Otherwise, we can optimize these keywords on our service pages. No, these keywords they don't have data, so we can ignore. We can optimize. Outstanding, no. Well optimized, no. Okay, so we don't have much keywords in our service pages. So what we can do? We can going to open the VPN, and where we can check in Canada which kind of keywords the other competitors are they are targeting. Okay, so mostly for the any service pages we are optimize any service pages for the 4 keywords. For the 4 keywords we are optimizing our pages 4 to 5 keywords, maximum 4 to 5 keywords. If we can do these things, then we have to optimize our service page a very precise way. So that is the great things if you guys have to follow. And now we are waiting for the VPN. If the VPN is going to open, yeah, it's opening now. Okay, so let me try this whenever the VPN is open. So warehouse workforce center. Okay, no. Glen recruiters, we are ranking also the top of the position. You guys can see this is our website. I think we are ranking first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Number fifth position we are ranking. So we'll going to optimize our keywords. Then we can get the 0 of the SERP. Strategic workforce planning, routine, no, evolving warehouse workforce management and smart warehouse. Workforce management, we can check. I think this keyword are having any one key volume this keyword are having. It's a very important tool we can use. Workforce management, and this keyword are having one 1.2k volume. So we have to use so we have researched total 4 keywords: workforce, employees, scheduling, warehouse staffing. Yeah, we have also get 20 volume. We can ignore this thing. So you guys can see we have researched total 4 keywords for this service page, and I can show you how I can make a strategy to we can optimize this service page for this according to these keywords. Okay, So firstly we have to open and we can check this keyword where this keyword are available. So total 9 times these keywords are for the H1. Yeah, okay. We can also check we have a 0 time H1. Okay, we can going to optimize our H1 tag also. And for the secondary keywords, we don't, yeah, we have, okay, sufficient these keywords are having in the pages. And we can also audit the meta title. So warehouse workforce, yeah, okay, warehouse workforce, these keywords are available also. So everywhere these keywords are is fine. So what we can do, we can make a strategy. So we can do internal linking and supportive blog. These things we can going to follow, and we can times in content to total 9 times these keywords are having in the content. Okay, and the warehouse is staffing only the 1 times these keywords are having. And the where we are ranking for the first keyword number fifth position where we are ranking, then only the 1 time I think in the footer of the section, no. So 0 time these keywords are having in the pages. And what we can do, we can going to check the SERP where we are ranking. Glean, we are not ranking, so not applicable. Warehouse is staffing, so we can use missing in H2, need to use in H2 in content, internal linking and supportive blog. So you guys can see need to use in H2 in content, internal linking and the supportive blog. These things if we can follow, then we can get the chances to we can rank on SERP. Okay, so now for the third keyword we can going to check. Also we don't have in a content, and also we can going to check in SERP. So where we are ranking, warehouse job recruitment agency, for this keyword we can rank easily because Glen, no. So same things we can also do for this third keyword. And then for the last keyword what we can do, we can check workforce management. We don't. No, also we are not ranking, so we can do the same things. Not applicable, the 0 time, yeah. So you guys can see the we have a researched a keyword for this pages, for this page. And also we can create a plan for the optimization, how many times these keywords are available in the pages, our service pages. If is this needed to, we can update our service page content also we can do. And we can optimize those keywords in the content, our targeted page. And we have researched the how many volumes and the KD these keywords are having, and the how much potential we can drive a traffic over our service page. So we have researched all the things, and the where we are ranking for those keywords we have also mentioned. And now I'm going to assign this task for our developer. So I hope you guys can understand the which kind of strategy we have followed for the keyword research. And after the keyword research, what we can do. Okay, so if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or your friends, then you guys have to share your thoughts in a comment section. And for the last, if you guys can want to connect with me personally, or if I'm provide any specific information, so you guys have to hit the subscribe and like button. because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you guys. And also I was planning to, I was whatever I have, I can share with you. So hope so you guys can help me something. Okay guys, so bye bye, take care.